Madhurya Bhagavata Sar Brajakaile Parachar. Stane Stane Bhagavate Varne Jache Jayantes Tatashuni Mate Bhaktagan. Chaitanya Mahaprabhu, he knows the Bhagavat. He's Nimai Pandit. And he says, this is the essence of Krishna, sweetness, Braj Leela, Vrindavan Sri Krishna. And Varne means syllables. Varne Jache Janate. Stane Bhagavate. Here and there in different stanes and different places in the Bhagavatam, this sweetness of Krishna and Vrindavan comes out. In the first canto of Bhagavatam, even the first canto, they're speaking about Braj Leela. There's certain verses that someone, I think Uddhava is remembering Vrindavan, or there's some verses about Krishna when he leaves Dwarka and goes to Hastinapur, he stops in Vrindavan and Mathura Mandala. There's a verse like this. So there's, even in the first canto and throughout, there's mentions, they're alluding to Krishna Vrindavan even directly. Throughout, even 11th canto. 11th canto, they're talking about the gopis. 10th canto, first canto, gopis Vrindavan. So that's why he says, Stane Bhagavate Varne Jachi Jayante. Sukadeva Goswami, the son of Vyasadeva, has described Krishna's sweet Madhurya Leelas throughout the Bhagavatam. And by hearing these descriptions, the devotees become mad with love of Godhead. Shune Mate Bhakta Gan. So this is the promise of Lord Chaitanya. If we keep hearing these pastimes of Radha and Krishna, Madhurya Purushottam, why do you go mad by hearing about Madhurya Purushottam? Why do you go mad about hearing Krishna? You'll never go mad about hearing Vishnu Katha. You'll get purified, you'll attain prema, you'll go there, but you won't go mad. Why? Because the essence of Krishna in Vrindavan is madhu. And when you drink too much madhu, it's so much sugar, you go absolutely crazy, because sugar is the basis of alcohol. Alcohol, which makes people drunk. Mata or mate means drunk, intoxicated, mad. So Lord Chaitanya is saying, if you read all these sections of the Srimad Bhagavatam describing Krishna and Vrindavan, because first he says Madhurya Bhagavatasar, Madhurya Bhagavatasar Brajakali Parachar, the full sweetness of Krishna, the essence of Bhagavan is sweetness, Madhurya. And that essence is found, revealed, taught, and preached in Braj, Vrindavan. And this sweetness of Krishna and Braj is sprinkled throughout the Srimad Bhagavatam, especially in the 10th canto. If someone goes throughout the Bhagavatam and hears these descriptions of Krishna's Braja Leela, Madhurya Leela, he will become mad with prema. It doesn't actually say that, it just says, Tahai Shuni Mate Bhaktagan. He says all the devotees, they become maddened whenever they hear this. This was the BBT's translation. Become mad with love of God. Because that's the madness of a devotee. You got Rodati, he cries, Hasati, Rodati, cries and he laughs and he nachati, he dances in the madness. So Lord Chaitanya is saying this is the difference between Narayan and Lakshmi and Krishna and the gopis. Lord Chaitanya goes on. So that's important a verse to note. On Madhya Leela Chaitanya Charitamrita, chapter 21, verse 110. 221, 110. Madhurya Bhagavata Sara. This is a theme or the essence of the whole Gaudiya Vaishnavism. We worship this. The essence of Bhagavan is sweetness, and this is available in Braj, and we're worshiping that sweetness. Aradhya Bhagavan, Brajesha Tanayos, Sridam Tadam Vrindavanam. Ramya Kachirupasana Brajavadubir Sakalpita. So the Brajavadus, the young, beautiful ladies of Vrindavan, the Gopikas, they're Braje Parachara. They are revealing this and exhibiting this and displaying this and preaching this. Preaching this when they become followers of Lord Chaitanya like Sarup. when Lalita was displaying and exhibiting this Madhurya Prem, this Gopi Bhav, when she enters Gaur Lila and becomes Swarup Damodar, then she preaches all this Madhurya of Vrindavan. Lord Chaitanya goes on to explain the supreme position of Krishna. He Madhurya Urdhva Ana Nahi Jara Saman. Paravyome Suruperagan. Chino Sava Avatari Paravyoma Adhikari. E Madhurya Nahi Narayane. So we're comparing and contrasting Narayan to Krishna and Lakshmi to the gopis. This is what we're discussing because the verses, the gopis themselves are introducing this comparison of Krishna to Narayan and themselves to Lakshmi. So we're furthering the more churning of the ocean by taking advantage of the merciful teachings of Chaitanya Mahaprabhu. Actually, this is Lord Chaitanya speaking to Swarup Damodar and to Srivas Thakur, who is a Narayan Bhakta, and trying to establish the supremacy of the Vaikuntha Sampat. And Lord Chaitanya is teaming up. Lord Chaitanya is in Radha Bhav as Radharani. He's teaming up with, pairing with, and teaming up with Swarup Damodar, Lita Sakhi, to thoroughly defeat this conception of Srivas Thakur that Narayan and Lakshmi are the supreme Sampat.